So aside from the two coffee machines, the black ones that we have tested earlier for defects, here's another red one. I already put in my water and my capsule is already here. I just used the same capsule as I used with the previous machine because I'm only testing the water that's gonna come out of it. So, and I have also steamed the water, I believe. So the two buttons are ready to be pressed, and I'm gonna start pressing the small espresso button. This is barely half of the cup, but this button produces normally like half of this cup. But then now it's barely half. And I'm gonna have to test the bigger espresso button just to make sure. So the amount of the water that came out from the bigger espresso button is way much lesser than the ones that came out with the smaller button. So this is pretty bad, but that's just the defect of it. I'm gonna try another one. See, I've pressed it twice, but the water that came out did not even made it to full. And there, that's three presses.